This driveway's seen better days. Let's get a facelift with this new pressure washer from HART. It removed the toughest stains and the toughest materials. Plus, it's so satisfying to watch. Check it out. The big wheels make this easy to roll around, and it has storage for the different nozzles. Attach the HART surface cleaner for a streak-free clean. The 25-foot hose is perfect on my long walkway, and the powerful engine and high water flow gets the job done faster, so you can spend your weekend doing more fun things. The onboard soap tank helps her sparkle. Just spray the surface with soap and then wash it all away with water. Part of a full line of HART pressure washers. HART, only at Walmart.